Hello, good morning guys. It's me, Yano from Kitchen with Yano. So for today's vlog, as I promised, gagawa tayo ng unboxing pagka na-receive ko na yung aking in-order online, which is Xiaomi Body Composition 2. And I'm making this intro at 3 in the morning kasi while I'm trying to edit the videos, nag-corrupt lahat ng file. But, the first shoot ng video, nung ina-unbox ko yung package, was still intact. So, I'm very thankful. I really don't have to reshoot that, as you will be able to see my first reaction for receiving that package. So, thanks again guys for supporting me. And again, this is Yano from Kitchen with Yano. I hope you like the new Kitchen with Yano channel, as the vlog will make some changes in comes with food and will add exercise and diet. So I'm not an expert, disclaimer. I am just trying to be myself, and I'm just trying to lose my weight as well. So guys, ito na nga yung second video sa pagbabago ng ating vlog. So, as I've showed you earlier, I have received the weighing scale na in-order ko from Shopee. This is actually a Xiaomi brand. I'm not sure though kung original siya kasi nakita ko na ano siya, from Santa Cruz yung seller, tapos hindi talaga siya from the Xiaomi parang flagship store, and super cheap niya. Actually, I use Shopee coins as well, so I got a discount. This cost originally $1,299. This is the lowest price that I was able to see. So I grabbed it na. I'm not sure if it has battery. Though for the reviews that I was able to watch on YouTube, there's a free battery. So, eto siya guys. Ta-da! So malalaman na natin kung ano talagang timbang ko. Because last time I checked, I was like 105 kilograms. So, as I've mentioned on my previous vlog, I already have a dietitian. I already started it like 2 days ago, like September 3 at 12 a.m. I started eating the portions that was given to me by the dietitian. So, parang 1 cup rice lang ako, and, you know, half cup ng meat, or half cup ng veggies. So, medyo pili na yung pagkain. And for some reason, nagtataka ako kasi, before, sobrang lakas kong kumain. Pero yung binibigay sa akin ni Doc na, or yung binigay sa akin ni Doc na meal plan, like 1 cup ng rice, tapos ito lang yung ulam ko, tapos more water lang if needed. Hindi ako nagugutom after eating. Kasi usually, whenever I eat, I tend to eat a lot kasi nagugutom ako agad. Pero yung binigay niya sa aking meal plan, no, hindi ako nagugutom. Parang sobrang nakakabusog pa. Nag-request pa ako sa kanya na nabawasan yung portion ng food ko kasi parang sobrang nabubloat ako. So, eto na, medyo lumalayo na tayo sa topic for today. And today is unboxing the Xiaomi Body Composition 2. So, this was released last 2019. So, by the way, nasanitize ko na ito. Baka tayo ay mabash na itong sino man. Ang ganda nitong package kasi Sobrang balot na balot siya. 3 layers of bubble wrap. 3 layers siya ng bubble wrap. May buhok pa siya sa loob. Na-sanitize ko na yung bubble wrap. Pero yung loob, syempre, we have to sanitize it as well. So, this is my alcohol. So, ito na siya, guys. Na-sanitize na natin siya and all. So, tingnan natin sa box. Chinese yung nakalagay. Cannot understand. May serial number, may SKU. May dent lang yung dito, tsaka dito. Pero siguro sa carriers na to. So, eto siya. I'm not really sure if this is the Xiaomi body composition 2. And then, we'll just go ahead and see if this is it. Kasi, yung Xiaomi body composition number 1 is made of plastic. Pero ito, sa ibabaw niya may tempered cup. So, hindi na siya masyadong dumihin. So, ito na siya. I'm excited. Ayan, mas nauna pa kayo nakakita. So, ito yung box niya. Kita niyo ba? Parang box ng pizza, no? So, open. Oh, ano to? Ayan. Tcharam! Okay. So, ito yung laman ng box niya. I'm not sure if, may mga dumi siya. May mga dumi siya. For some reason. Tapos, okay. So may nakalagay, precautions. So, number 1, ignore the weighing scale result when weighing for the first time or after moving the weighing scale. Number 2 is avoid stepping on the edge of the scale to prevent it from accidentally flipping over and causing a fall. Third is place the scale on hard, flat floor before use. And fourth is after weighing the body fat, data will be displayed once the progress bar is complete. Okay. So, ito is not just a simple weighing scale. This is a digital weighing scale na you can connect a Xiaomi app on it. And meron pang nakalagay sa likod. It says here, to avoid the risk of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not use it in cribs, bags, strollers, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Dispose of this bag and any other packaging materials immediately after removing the product. Do not reuse this bag. Pero, dahil syempre Pinoy tayo, I'm gonna reuse this bag to store this weighing scale. Hello? Paano pag nasira to, diba? Diba? Ang mahal na itong weighing scale. Yung iba may free battery, so parang ito wala. Let's see. So, ito yung weighing scale. Medyo mabigat siya. Sana lang meron magkaroon ng vlog or article si Xiaomi how to check if you're getting your Xiaomi body composition from a legit seller or if you're getting a legit product. So, yung dito niya sa, ito, tempered glass. Tapos sabi niya dito ata, this for silver, this is the electrodes. So, ito daw yung mag-measure ng body fat, water mass, bone mass, and everything. Tapos, sa likod, it's matte plastic. Tapos, ito gumagalaw siya. So, hindi siya steady. Tapos, this is operated by 4 AA batteries. Na wala tayo. Pero I'll check it on the box kasi may nakita ko kanina na para may isa pa siyang compartment. Tinis! So, ito siya. Yan lang yung laman ng box. Wala na. Hindi ko alam kung bakit parang may dahon-dahon ng pine tree sa loob. Galing yung box na. Kikip ko tong box. Kasi hindi naman ako everyday mag-weigh. Siguro mga once a week. Or whenever I'll have consultation with the dietitian. So, sa box ng battery, meron instruction. Sabi dito, Shishing, char. It's in all Chinese characters. No one can understand it as well unless you study Chinese. Okay. So, sabi dito, char. Wala. So, naintindihan dyan. Tapos, this one is, ayun, this is, ang sabi nila, dun sa mga review na napanood ko, this is a Xiaomi battery. But I'm not really sure if this is a Xiaomi battery. Sorry guys, nagkamali ako. It's not pala AA, it's AAA battery. So, hanggang dito lang siya. Tapos, ang laki ng box. So, I'll cut it open. Hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo na nag-weigh ako kasi I'm gonna show you how to connect the application as well on the weighing scale. Kasi I'm just using my phone to capture this video. So, lagay na natin yung battery. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. So, sabi pala dito, we have to place it on a flat board, sturdy flat board. So, ito ikikip ko ito. Maganda itong shell. So, that's it for our unboxing today that magagamit natin for the entire vlog. Kasi nga, as we have mentioned in the first vid that I previously uploaded, we'll change our vlog topic. Still cooking, but then we will be on a diet recipe. So, I'll show you my recipes soon, guys. And thanks so much for watching. Again, this is Yano, and bye!